In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can permanently stop pop-up notifications from Pocket Broker app. So if you're experiencing or receiving a lot of notifications from this app, then the best thing to do is to go ahead and stop them permanently. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, let's get into it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to access the app information page, and you can simply do this by going to settings. And then from settings, look for this option called apps. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I'm using a Redmi Note 10. However, this process should be more or less the same on any other Android smartphone. From this, go ahead and look for this option called manage apps or more apps or all apps on your smartphone. And then this will go ahead and list all the apps that you have on your smartphone. From this, scroll down and look for your app. And as you can see, my app is here. I'll proceed and tap on it. And now you see we are on the app information page, and this is where we are going to do our settings. Now, if getting to this page was quite hard or it is a long process, let me show you a shortcut method that you can use. Now, for the shortcut method, just go to your app, and then instead of tapping on it, go ahead and long press on it, and you'll see this option called App Info. If you go ahead and tap on it, it will take you to the same page here. From here, scroll down until you see this option called Notifications. You can see currently it is turned to yes. If I go ahead and tap and open it, you can see we have various notifications that are on. So instead of going ahead and turning off each and every one of these, just go ahead and look for this option called Show Notifications. If you go ahead and toggle it off, all the other notifications will be turned off. From now henceforth, you'll never again see those pop-up notifications that were annoying. So that's how you permanently stop or turn off pop-up notifications from your Pocket Broker app. If this video is helpful, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.